Honorable distinguished guests present over here, our most dear children and ladies and gentlemen, before we commence with the formal program of today's Golden Jubilee celebration, it would be our most basic and moral duty to show our solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Tibet who have been suffering a specter of tragedies and tragic happenings through the length and breadth of Tibet. So in order to show our utmost feelings and spirit of solidarity with our brothers and sisters there, I would like to call upon all the members of the audience present here to kindly rise for a 1-minute condolence silence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on this joyous, momentous, and nostalgic occasion in celebration of CIST Darjeeling's completion of 5 decades of academic service to both Tibetan community as well as the Indian community. Now, we would like to begin with the formal program. And to start with, may I request our PET, Mr. Pazan Kokila, to please conduct the morning prayer, followed by the school song.
Morning prayer, begin.
Not gold, but only man can make a nation great and strong. Man who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Man who dare while others fly, who toil while others sleep. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. Dedicating these words to ex-staff members, ex-students who have had their lion's share in the total development of the CST Darjeeling. Now, may I request our Principal Sir to kindly deliver the welcome speech and present a brief school report. Sir.
The most venerable Kyabje Samdul Rinpoche, the former Kalun Tiba, city at Dharamsala, Reverend Kamagilela, the General Secretary, Department of Education, city at Dharamsala, Shri S.P. Rana, the Education Officer, CTSA, Shri Gopal Lama, the ADM representative of local LSA chairman, Shri Savantashi, Department Development Officer, Darjeeling, various presidents and members of Tibetan Association, former staff, Alumni Association members, and all alumni, my staff, and my dear children. It is my proud privilege to avail this moment to welcome our today's valued guests and introduce the day. Therefore, may I take this liberty to welcome our guests without taking time to introduce them, since we all are very familiar with them. I, on behalf of students, staff, members of Alumni Association, would like to earnestly welcome Kyabje Samdul Rinpoche, who is one of the most trusted, respected philosopher, teacher, educator, and able and dynamic leader as today's chief guest. Venerable Kamak Lake, who is one of the most senior-most and effective secretaries in the CTSA, the city at Dharamsala, as a special guest. Shri S.B. Rana, the education officer, CTSA, who is an efficient officer and effectively runs the CTSA in the absence of a regular director. And Shri Gopal Lama, ADM, who has seen this school grow since its inception and extends full assistance and guidance as the guest of the honor of today's function. I also extend my heartiest welcome to all other dignitaries who have very kindly accepted our humble invitation. I also welcome our former and present staff and students of this school on this very historic function. 2011 is a very special year in the history of this school, as it is 50th year, which is normally celebrated as the Golden Jubilee year. The school was set up in June 1961 with just 30 students and 5 staff in the rented building. In 1971, the first batch of 10 students successfully graduated. Since then, over the past 5 decades, the school has been able to produce several hundreds of outstanding individuals who in turn are serving not only the Tibetan community but also in India and abroad in various responsible capacities. To cite few, Dr. Lobsang Singhe, the President Kalun Tipa, Mrs. Gyaro Doma, the Home Minister of Home Department Dharamsala, Mr. Desang Suri, the Private Secretary to His Holiness Dalai Lama, Jambal Chosa, Chief Election Commissioner, Mr. Mingyu Dolce, the Cabinet Secretary, Mr. Thokol Hapa, the representative of His Holiness Dalai Lama in Tokyo, and many more in Tibetan administration and in schools in India, Nepal, and Bhutan. There are several ex-students of this school working in responsible posts in Indian administration and other departments such as academic institution, banking, postal, insurance, forest, etc. To mention a few, Shri Sunam Gyatso Lepcha, the Honorable Minister in Sikkim government, Shri Roshan Giri, the General Secretary of JGMM Darjeeling, Shri Kesang Doje Karkel, the Director, Press Information Bureau, Government of India, Shri Sunawandi Budia, ADM West Bengal, Mrs. London Doma Budia, Joint Commissioner Income Tax, etc. The school has many campus in its credit in many Tibetan monasteries in India and religious centers in the abroad. All these and many hundreds of individuals who have traced their roots of success to the values that this school has instilled in them clearly support the fact that the school has lived up to the expectation of His Holiness Dalai Lama and Government of India in educating thousands of students and in promoting and preserving unique Tibetan culture and languages. Since the school brochure and the leaflets, which and your personal visit to the class and various departments after the function will offer you detailed information about current situation of the school. I may be allowed to just add few factuals and word of gratitude. The school has 479 students on roll who are studying in humanity, commerce, and economic hospitality in tourism. The performance of the school always remained among the betters in the administration. Previous academic achievement of class 3 to 10 was 100% pass, class 11 humanity 89 pass percentage, commerce 79 pass percentage, hospitality 100%, and class 12 result was 92%. 51 staff, including contingency, headed by the principal and director, are putting their best efforts to cater the requirement of the school. To conclude, may I take this opportunity to say that it is great honor for me to be able to serve as the principal of this school during this historic year and take the liberty on behalf of all the former and the present students of this institution to offer the deepest gratitude to His Holiness Dalai Lama for his precious and far-sighted vision, and Government of India for her valuable financial and administrative support, CDSA and DOE for their constant and timely and effective guidance. The school is also obliged to the Tibetan Settlement Officer, LAC, PTA, and various associations for their valued cooperation. The contributions of the Alumni Association, such as the renovation of school stage with accessories such as number of the curtains, re-electrification, latest public address system, provision of pickup truck, etc. are highly commendable, and I sincerely appreciate for their high sense of gratitude and loyalty to their school. I pray to the Tribal Jam that the school march still further and continue its long journey of benefiting thousands of young minds and individuals and invaluable task of preserving and promoting unique Tibetan culture. I also take this opportunity to urge the present students to take inspirations from the success stories of the former students and emulate their lives and manner in which they grew and served our society. Once again, I extend my warm welcome to one and all and wish you all very memorable, joyful, pleasant and golden Jubilee celebration. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now, may I request Venerable Mahant Indila, the Honorable President of CST Darjeeling Alumni Association, to be kind enough to address the occasion through his gracious presence on the stage here.
During the Doli Tenok Unye de Longonga Jokove, during the Zagolia Chedo, and the Chinga Chibunave, Che Kundu, Rajanamla, Gadi Sundamancheva, Japcho, Samdon Lobsan Dizimbuche Cho, Raju Shiri Tunje, Gung Yudo Kamakale Cho. Sheye Genzi Kushap Rana Cho Sane Zombi Shuma Kushap Gopalama Tishi Sane Shingu Kumi Sheyas Gadi Chebe Zego Chodunga Pebe Gegenamata Shigane Pebe Lobdo Namaso Dege Lobde Chade Nami Sebe Lobde Gezi Namatna Our Namaso Samalia Tri Doli Tenlo Longangabjukove Zegulia Nye Doli Lobso Sabe Jizab Shude Subject Installation. Jidon Kungabjungagulia Nans Tama Mil Car Gange Seme Shilia, Sube Gabshilia. Dene Raja Namgi Gumbo, Jab the Green Chibo, Consequengu, Jayon Botamji Kembe, Mont Peu Dini, Medic Salamandoe, Chedo, Labji Gombuchi Shene, Bumi Mo, Sonjo Chento, Delop Kazuna Wishire, 재산 되네 가지 제대로 님이 저런 건지 수고요. 랍데 농강감주 나와야 롭종 나네 롭종 천대 퇴 내가是雄小制造那里啊下来那头个录着满大去但能录制啊这些那么那些是重要的监管全部图些所谓北面人生当我所在的北北给图些的所以给人那边呢每日的做我的上面周围给人家去预算这点人这个的搞的所以俺那说的拍拍他们那么里啊民生都所以这个不给力啊他个都让个熟悉这点呢就公民那罗那属于啊这里单的大一里啊俺说老说说个的你都对这个兄弟搞混的逻辑搞混系统节做呗都是超过这个的超过的兄弟啊这个学不起来呀超过每个的那的刚刚当吃不给刚刚这不有呢现在会超过每个学的超过的龙西南了呀俺是那的同学老说呗这那的刚刚蛮大些刚突破下去修都要的龙个俺这在我的啊，加上老的地里啊，帮助那呀，但全部刚刚说的俺是没有的，老些的那老呀他同学刚刚这边呀，在我里要课外讲的，但是呀，老的学的生大的这个那么的呀，生大的对不起，都是里呀，套里呀。罗人民去不起来去那样的，地头里啊，俺是家庭帮助头里啊，家庭那罗那些俺是都住卡那不连每个学个那新鲜，的那比如啊的 Switzerland、France、Canada 学个录那么长没，你听就罗人学不起来那种，像罗人那完那些。근데 로는 중앙에 추서 많이 맺제 민민미도 계란은 맺제는 도 수유베지 수유스제 so 디토리아 나서 자예토리아 투지체 수유데 딘 디토리아 망조리아 잡도야 고고지 손제 투지체 수유 다데 레미남 뒤수서 사브레 자산 레미주 고샤난 심레 나조 롭스 소반 나발레야 튼교 남버스 봉로 남바네시 그런 남바 자도 고남 제베 롭소 서버줄이야 캐란 남베 튼교 봉로 나로나 정어서 베비슈비유 데니 capture 좀 비체 안순 제고리아 자오천베 펩슈 나올라 라동안소 투치체 슈기다 님은 숨게 제고디 토리아 된 넘버스 넘버 최쇼 토리아 데니야 냠냠슈 나로나 지슈유 타된도 란자 조영기 captain 근지부 공사겸근 자원 탐지 kenji 스부처부처 샤베 계기된지 투기 शे원 탐제 델라드 주부 쇼스제 면는 다자바 투지 주유
Now we shall be fortunate enough to be addressed by none other than the chairman of the local advisory committee of CST Darjeeling, the representative of district magistrate, honorable additional district magistrate of Darjeeling, Shri Gobal Lama sir.
Most respected Professor Shamdong Dimburche, former Karl and Tripa CTA Dharmashala, respected Karma Galek, Secretary Department of Education, CTA Dharmashala, respected Sri S.P. Rana, Education Officer, CTA, and guest of honor, Shri Karma Tanshi, Tibetan Settlement Officer and Principal Rector, and guardians, ex-students and students. At the outset, I would like to welcome on behalf of the district administration and as a chairman of LHC, and on my behalf, the dignitaries who are present in the dais. I feel myself privileged to be a part of this August gathering and to share the dais with such a renowned and educated person. Really, it is a very, very proud moment for all of us to see the Tibetan School, Central Tibetan School, completing its 50 years. I know this school from its establishment in 1961 when I was a small boy going to school at St. Roberts. I was just residing here nearby in this, what is called Limbu Basti. Since then, I am seeing the school growing and it has completed its 50 years of journey. The school is not an institution only, it is imparting education, all-round education to the students and also teaching the human values. It is really indeed a very good thing. There are so many other schools also, but we know the CTS, how the school is growing. I do not want to say much. I wish the school all the best in their future endeavor and wish the students all the best for their future. Once again, I thank all the dignitaries present here and the guardians and the students, everybody. Thank you very much.
To our beloved education officer, Honorable Sir Rana, now may I request Sir to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning and Tashi Delit. Most respected Professor Rinpoche, former Kalon Tripa and renowned scholars, respected Karmaji, General Secretary Education, and now presently Cabinet Secretary to CTA, Lama Saab, ADM Darjeeling, Tibetan Settlement Officer, Principal, Rector, alumni, respected teachers, and my dearest students. The small sapling which was planted in 1961 with the efforts of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the then Prime Minister of India, Pandit Nehru, with a specific purpose to educate Tibetan children while preserving and promoting their culture and heritage, has grown now into a big tree, and we are celebrating 50th years of many of our schools. It started with initially one school at Mussoorie. The number of schools grew up to 73, but due to reorganization we are operating at 67 now presently, with the enrollment of students at about 9,000. The success of the school is measured not in terms of results, but in terms of the social lives of their alumni, how they are contributing to the society. And I am glad to say here that CST Darjeeling has produced such alumni who are contributing with all their might, with all their abilities in different fields, not only in India, but abroad as well. Many of them are sitting here. I welcome each one of you on this occasion. To my dearest students, I would like to say, don't forget your roots, don't forget your culture and heritage, At the same time, be prepared to be a global citizen. That you can do only when you are equipped with professional skills. Wherever you get a chance, proceed, travel to those places. Study the courses you like the most. Study the subjects which you enjoy the most. And one day I see you as future citizens sitting at very prominent positions and full of human values of truthfulness, compassion, kindness. Please be prepared. During all this travel of 50 years, all the things did not go so smoothly. There are some constraints which are a hindrance in the mission to achieve the goals of preserving and promoting Tibetan culture and heritage. And we, at bureaucratic level, at ministerial level, we are still on the job, and I hope in the near future to come, all these issues will be resolved. On this occasion, I wish all of you a very, very successful, bright career to all the children, and best wishes to everybody. Thank you all.
May I now request the Honorable Sir, Venerable Kamagilela, to kindly address the gathering.
Tarengi mixe tudon kechemudi thola tenja lab nambe chidang rodang na shin cheche inji tamshe di mashu khon la thoge tol thi khashe ji shu chob shua yin thoma de tare de dojilin ten lok thoma utsu ne long up to Tamba Shibu Kobe, Mixegi to Dun Zego D Tola, Shibu Gadin Jambe, Panden Kalan Tisu, Lovel Chimbukiwa, some Dorimbuche, Ube, Mixe Kundu Nambatan, Taganashi, Lotte Lopchi Ube, Lotte Gelen Namba, Lopsu Sobe, Sobe Ube. Lopsu Sobe Somin number. King at the Pame Sojungi Sozo Ube Tumi number. Taganashi Lopsu da Ninzashin Loptu number. Samalola, Tomange Upe Magic Lugi, Shiri Leongi Subshuja Samalola. Ning taban at some detached telesugu. Lakbado Tarendi, Long Abjuko, Mixegi, Tudun Zego, Yinza, Dojilingi, Tenloki, Lopji Ubek, Gile number Sangmata, any Lopsu number Sangma, Tagana should look to number Sangma Lola, Remixe Tudun Tola, Mixegi. Some detached telesugu. In Taredi, long up to COVID to Dendi Tola, Denja Lopte Rare, Tolo the use of a Yapio the Che, and it's all lawsuits of a Tungan Chembuji Sheni, the Korea, Yabuti Nambate, Shiri Legung Tone, mixing Arjut Shuai. Taking Kondo Kanangan to Sumana Shinre, the long up to COVID to Jen in Yang Dabachi, Jegenda Sung the Shuaina Tandapato, Marantu Katu Majun Lamne, that Tumde Yabushibuchi, turned Devati, Sebushibuchi. Papa to Shanyan Tola, Tandamarazu, Tande Nedan Tena, Tulu Chimichi, the Yomarati, Name Nedan, to get to Yumbina. Shenyo Tola, Ajangi Tumde Chimbu Yimbata, Sama Logi, Kengiyore, Sungiyore, Chetan Di Indu Tinde Chunya Di, and Debe Long Arju Ringala, Latan Di Gita, Lobji Nambe Ube, Pagana Shin Gile number, but any Pama Sokjung, Donata in the Mango Chigi, Kule Kimbal Tension, Tandang Aranzo Tanda, the Woms Choya, Tumde, the Konatugi, Tuji Katin Yimbre, Chetan Di Indu. Katin Jetan Shuya da Ticket the Tangan Zosige. Maju Shuya de Shira, Ketchimures, Tengier Dinajik Tawas Sige, Shuvina Tandamaran Tumde can't talk Devati Kange Kandechig in and the Tunya Kandechig in a Kandata top saber, troop symbol, troop de Yorda. That and they challenge don't let Cheaki Chashida. Namjula soba that in the Chashimambo Kandeji Vine. She had a child that Rubjure. She's a Rubjuche and the Kande Rubro Yumeti Nedenska Yamar data, Revasansan Jaguar, Tineji Indu Sambangara, Nemaki, Kale Kyunjan, Tumde Tumbatilongone, Traneta, the Katin Jenta, Samshin Nantuviati, Shibuji, Kachimbuche, Tudun, the deck of the Sambu Menro, Sambachi, Tindeshuni Troson. Taganashi, anything you make Tumde like Jeden Shuba the Chapchi, Tandang around to Nedala, the Papa to Shen Nedan, Laptanabak Nedala, come down to church and me Kawaii Saltation, Yershibi Apoch, Chevatone, that Chige Mutuyati, Kandenangudu, Tita Palamjina, Hallev Ketchum Sona Kitchen, that Kawaii Sabugushu de Yore. Casing under Tandeki, don't let share to get under don't let share Matu Cheche. Mutuji Tusho Chimbina. And long up Juna, the talk there to get here. Has a lela with Shibuchi Tone. Ne Tola Dreaks of the Chi. Shumia Dreaks of the Chigi. Yanga Chimbuchita, Ton de Yutu, Tangandu Tanda, Cabs about the river Sati, Tade Neta, D. Tone, Tangandu Cargo Yore, what to get the troop to Yaki. Yashimna the Shibuchi Kashimbre, Lava to Tanda Zerim Nalola, Sanyi Tvala, Lopsu Nambada, and Taganashi Lopta, the Galen number so get in Deki, Katuna and the Mangutu, that and Zutola, and Zutot, Turgene, Mount Bechejo Karim and Zutot Nadi. Shibuki Chamber, those in it. Because you are checking. Lava to that and the Maranzo, Nedan in the cup 2 yondu. That was should they changing residente. Peve Galen number soda, Maranzo Puri. The Pamet of Junda, Pavazo with the Mixeki, Genguda, Mixeki, Toguchi Shechen, Maranzo Gange Doneraji, Nanda Majevici, Matovaina, and you jensen that she Lagaraji teacher, Tawarishi, she good Davina, she sent she to Regimento Mabby in. Muyu Nezuki, Muyu Nedango, Tamato Kazu to the Kazu Tusho Machimbati. Chetuya did a neg Ningurachi, some see the Yore, the Zuto number 2. Chigi conversation to Subnaro Nashuai. Then a lava to Tarita the Duden Zapati Tola, Pavel Sinemendo, mix a chick. Tenjung lecture of Chigla, than the Shiri Legung Tone, and the so look to number Tamare, Taganashin the Gagan legend number Tamare, and Lopsu number Ubek Kunda number Samalola, the Shiri Legung Tone, and to the Kabatea Yunachi, Ningu in a Gonda Inachi, Suti Tapici, Duce, Pia Koti Shuya, and to get the Geto Chimbu Naronachine. Shua to see, Shazang Poget or Shua to get the Viti Shan and the Injitol to get Machi. Watch out, Shua. Most Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Samdong Rinpoche, former Kalantiva, Central Tibetan Administration Dharamsala. Honorable Guest of Honor Shri Gopal Lama, ADM Darjeeling District. Honorable Guest of Honor Shri S.P. Rana, Education Officer, CTSA, representative of CTA for Darjeeling, other local Tibetan dignitaries, Principal and Rector of CST Darjeeling, Chairman and members of CST Darjeeling Alumni Association, Chairman and members of the PTA CST Darjeeling, distinguished guests, dear teachers and staff members of CST Darjeeling, and my very dear students of the school. First of all, I would like to offer our warmest greetings and many Trashi delegates to all of you on this very special occasion of the Golden Jubilee celebration of CST Darjeeling on behalf of the Department of Education of the Central Tibetan Administration, Dharamsala, and on my personal behalf. Particularly on the same behalf, I would like to heartily congratulate the CTSA, the CST Darjeeling, all staff members, students, alumni members of CST Darjeeling on this Golden Jubilee anniversary. I would also like to thank them for supporting and organizing this special celebration. It has been a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to present on this important occasion. Before saying any other thing about this special occasion, I feel it extremely important to remember the great vision, compassion, and generosity of the great founding fathers of the Central Schools for Tibetans and the CTSA. I would therefore like to pay special homage and tributes to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the supreme leader and teacher of the people of Tibet, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the late first Prime Minister of India, on this occasion. In this connection, and on behalf of the Central Tibetan Administration and the entire Tibetan community in exile, I would like to express our profound and deepest gratitude to the government and people of India for their special sympathy and support to the Tibetan people for more than 50 years. In fact, we have no word to express our gratitude properly and fully. We are equally grateful to the government and people of West Bengal for their great generosity and hospitality offered to a sizable number of Tibetans in their state. We would like to thank the CTSA organization, all its past and present chairpersons, secretaries, directors, education officers, principals, rectors, headmasters and headmistresses, and all teaching and non-teaching members of its staff for their most valuable and dedicated service to the people of Tibet in education of several thousands of children. If we make a truthful evaluation of the overall performance and result of the Tibetan schools in India over the past 50 years, I am confident to rate it as miraculously successful. I feel that everything should be judged on the basis of their own realities and not on the basis of our hopes and visions. Our school graduates may not have ranked among the world-class scholars or leaders in great numbers, but they are very much there in almost all the places where we had originally expected them to be. The period of past 50 years should therefore be rated as a period of great success in education in the entire history of the Tibetan people, regardless of the challenges that we are and may be facing at present and in the future. However, while celebrating past success and achievements, it becomes extremely and critically important to review our current status and prepare to overcome the challenges that we are facing. The current status of all of our schools obviously demands our immediate attention and action. Unless we come up with a package of proper changes in the system and management as soon as possible, our schools may soon have to struggle for their own survival. Indicators to this prospect have been many and clear. It appears highly advisable for all of us who are directly concerned to act while there is still some time. Ignorance, short sight, and inaction have always brought about one thing: the human misery. CST Darjeeling is not only the earliest Tibetan school in this region, but it is also one of the best Tibetan schools that we have in India and Nepal. CST Darjeeling has produced the first ever elected highest Tibetan political leader, Dr. Lobsang Singhi, the incumbent Kalun Thiba of the Central Tibetan Administration. Thank you. Thus, you have something extra to celebrate about this school, together with its Golden Jubilee. With these glorious achievements, we should remember the feeling of dissatisfaction of our school education is not only prevailing, but is steadily growing within all sections of our society. As most of us here know very well, our supreme leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, has posed two basic questions that touched the two root objects of our schools. One, why we are not seeing many distinguished Tibetan scholars even after 50 years. Two, why we are witnessing a steady declination in the personal and moral characters of the newer Tibetan generations. We are needed to come up with correct answers and remedial action plans against these questions. Let us sincerely hope that we shall be successful in addressing our present problems and in overcoming our future challenges. As a token of our best wishes and appreciation and support to your Golden Jubilee celebration, the Department of Education, CTA, has intimated to your principal and the organizing committee that we would like to have the pleasure to sponsor a simple dinner or lunch reception to all the guests, staff members, and school students during the celebration. I hope it will help defray a part of the cost of your celebration. To conclude, I would like to pray, may our great leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, live long, and may all his sacred wishes for this universe be fulfilled. May the CTSA and the CST schools achieve their noble aims. May India and her people touch new heights of success and prosperity. May the suffering of the Tibetan people cease soon. And may you all be happy, healthy, and successful. Thank you all very much.
Now, I most humbly would like to request Rinpoche to kindly address the gathering.
感谢随行送的一，青岛真不拉那么， Jawa Tinjin Trebarjung, Station Domba Telendu. Trinde Dorlin Öbüç Lopte Longam Chukurve Jeden Tujung Ginsegol Pebe Mise Kundun Shiri Tongchi Kushav Rana ji, Shri Gopal Lama ji, Lupchitang, writer, Lusul Fobe, fourth lecture number, Lusulta, Tanda Rujun Chesh Melutu number, Samalalia. Samdita Tashtile Shuayin Taluchinda Jevenan Kalun Tibe Ledu Nibane Leyu Chimbi Jelia Bebe Chizogi Ledunan Shumogo Tundun Chigyu in a Dorjine Lapte Longap Chukurve to dance a good cobbler. Me say Kundung old shows Sumba cobbler and Jagmans and Shutu Mason. Kansina Laptan did that Sunang Tone. Jiwa yu devchri. Trine tsibe lo shiju shidung ngel. Dajini lapta chane lo song yemen chi kabya. Ngande marim ki gentang shugi chene. Lo chi masim devchri. Dawa chuchi da chegas. Kap ti du ne su tanda yang ten yu nal self stado tine sonza rani lona shumbe kabla beju chimbe thane lega chesa be sajate church ke thoma ina Messi Jedantang and Howard to it. When I just 10 metu yagi Yarjet and Joala Chinchimbatu Chitabina Just Virantang Dulutsimber Chungresam and Taride Chayagi Jumdant Dirty. Jazan Lupsur Tunal Chikjana Mande Lapte Gigan Chebe Kabla Lutu Yimbata Alam Kumbu Injure Sancto, that to Ngam Childre. In a Tanda Reson Chichen Usivre Cup to do Lutu Tunane Dagmo to Sunshan Nangan to Kanam Nashin. Chuchuane Lapchingi, Zetchin Jangengi, Campbell Rubin Turn Yore, Chapsik Tola, Zinjunda Chelsea Gang Tola Shamdi Shugengi, Lutu Mangu Turn Yore. This Manguchi Tandayan, Netayunal, Serge Desha. That Tanda Nunirnan Shimbe Luptu Tizu Mande Giganche Kabla Chan Shine Chivalenjure Chivalenju Pasha Chiransu Kusingama Tisuyan, Tanda Loshin Yun become English Samdu. Longam to Siati Migirchi Messi Dunyan Samtambina, the Turingo Stare. Chulu Jabe to the Sivinel, Messi Chagan has Chike, Zot Sabje. Chulu Java Sagache Mato, Trisan in Loja Dang, Halan, Comboratre. Keninga Kesa Imda, Kesa Nampanal, Social non Lodi Kabla, Canada Debe, Sadarji Chigi Lojalune. Kilometer Shishini, Dushalune, Chinua, there's on Lojalune, Yuda Yori. Lojal Lumbe, Michi Giwan Tambine, Miss Chaga Chaza, Long of Junan, Zorri. In a Mirik Chika, Jacob Chik, Yana Jinzu Chigi, Chungrab Tabina, Longam said Tundung Rapture. Lapta Chigi Chungrab Tabine. Teresani Lapta Mancha Chica Losumja Shija Chimbe Lapta in the Manguyore Jagata and Chijagnale. One people Chashabina People Honyangi Tene Chudi Chimbutan Gumbatesu. Villa Sanji Tamba Tarane and Tsube Lochitung Gelbe Chongrab Yubata Nti just to what is Zuyan Lungabja Truje Chongrab Yubastare Today in the Jinzu Chikta Descent Chike Yarje Roya Tambu Yoyala to Su Jinjumung Boyaji Moy Nathan Ray. The Longam Chukure to Dentam, Lunishanga Kure to Dentam, Lojakure to Den, Lodunjunga to Den, means a chair, Lamsuti Mazu Sharchobe, Mamane Yube, Lamsuji Peji in Jimari Samdu. Sharchobe, David Turala, Tayagi, Sujun Mer Mareti. In a Tindegi to Sichi Kablia, Minch Carne, to Dunke Chigiyamare. Tile Shento Minsegi John Tesula and to see Sonjene to Dun Chigiyore. Sanjay Jinjuba Sul Subina, Tumba Kotam Betuchin. China Chimeva robbed to see. Number of Sanji to see, Chuch Puluku to see, Yangan Debit to see the Sova. Tesu to sing in Jantang, and to see Tesu Kabla, Jidengi, to Dun Chiag Lamsu Yuchri. In an Dere Lunija Yemechi Ringlia, Shajo Chunda, Injita. Portugal Gitsumbe Nomchoki Jebu Ringluta Sawan Jaji Ringlu Gil Ngawal Ya Junjumut Deba Wanki Tandagantu Sambuton Dan Legachata Mancha Chike Nomchobe Jindura Chigo Lendura Chigore. The Lendu Chevati Junda Keyo Martine Lendu Cheve Kablia Lendu Chedan Shimbachta Lendu Cheagi Mapiti Hindu Momakari Imba Chimbachi Tone and Lendu Chevina Pandocha Yorisento. Tadango to come in and can to Tarik to Dundi Lapran di Thoma Chashi Gumba Sheken Tang Chatabgen Mus Chale Nangen Tijeti Katin Chedenki Dusi Chingola Songzi Chena Yabu Yubata Tinde Songzi Nangi Yube Kaminamdi Stadimbar Esangtu Katin Chedenki Tudun Songzi Cheati Numchobe Samsu Kemare Tingazu Sharchobe Samsuri Howard Nambe Samsuri 제가 제가 렌드 제비네 제가 랑기 투모마임베 리숑 단 레장 시송부터 토네 간남버티 턴 템베스나비나 펜도치아 요아레 성도 랍다카게 롱암추 코레 되든 송진나야디 헤브르브즈란다 방로마 랍다 용조기다 방르지네 진주니 주제네 난기 요아레 제자 디 코디다 디 차진 두야기 체도 게겐 레제 루투 사몰로 맞아 되든다 니만이 송지레데 다디든 다와 카시지어를 성도 디 다디 제베 링리아 nghe suba chebina kela number 2 zinda mango pema to chung yujure gitu suge lujung mango shane tiba sangma suya tan chi che ala soba zinda mango to ala tango be chung yare di chungwen di ngasu duden songzi cheben di Sabe Tolia, Tadung Kisam Yubichik, Majumbaina, and to dance Sonsi Chebe, Gubas Kemandu Resantu. Today in San Tari to do di Tola, long up choosing the sun and di Tolia, Sujunki, Tenen Dindechi Yube, Yenel Tene. Lotru Jata Manguchik Tuyore, Tumbat Seti, Ranki Mesin Donam, Yan Tabachik, Setubatam to Maseve, Tempa Chapsita, Chisogi, Shamde, Lapchin Shutugan, Mangu Chumbari, Tezu Choyati, Penjorki. Jabjortang, Jinzu Tunjin, Musul, Zindana Luti Nangan, Lega Chenge, Tende Gimemangu Shibu Chiki, Nyamru Chebe, Yenan Ten Chumba Indukabla, Konsame, Kadin Jedana Guati, Tari Tutundi, Ledun Kechi or Chiresangu. Titan Chapchi to long up you ring la Manzu Tusho Karchindo, Jilu Kartedo, Notru Karchindo, Mantibu Karchundo, Titolayang, Chide Lone, Siche, Jonjur Cheti, Chunsil Yosan Naya Chola, Besu Nayati, Manzu. Tene nivar chagore sangyu. Ta tene sumbati tagishiri tunji sumba nanshin re. Debe nyamnyun ne, debe chungram ne nyamnyun langche. Ta maumbe lechar kutwala lebel nyengu ke nesu karnaya to. Tanda yuishimbe lenga cheti kanche sangu to. Tanda sangme tunan liya Lujung Yamcha Dugudu, Sangju Yamcha Dugudu, Keva Tungu Mindu, Keleva Tungu Mindu, Neshedea Tezu. Chiga Chiti Rabchi the Masha Chene. Muyuki Jujinzo Kabato Tudo, Did Tola, 세답 가르치야도 파워트에 산에기 루추 쪼르 주베 기겐 내지 성매 랑문에 레벨 연구 가르나야도 찰렌 따르투바 가르도 제도 식 사업 전에 공부시에 고야당 엔티즈토알 차시 땡제 모험발이야 차들 투야기 탑신나 고야티 드든 딘데 qablaya 나 고야기 개치웨 레린 숨바르 차고레 섬도 딱 개치웨 레린 시바 타마 티 가르잖아 마술 랍트라 데술이야 토마 센주 피밀 랍트라 신 티베탄 리퓨지 스쿨스 인 라고레 드는 티젤이야 으부지 랍트라 센트럴 स्कूल फॉर टिबेटन से मिंटी जिबुजाबरे इन ठंडा तो रबते जबजु चिसो चिगला शेयुन तेयागी जिंजु जि सुरतु बजरे जबजु चिसो चिलिया शेयुन तेयागी जिंजु सुरतु गोया खर्चने छावरे मासु जबजु खर्चने छावरे जबजु छाबि जेलिया अनि मासु ठंडा सोत खर्चने लपट सुबरे ति 단다 유베 루투 중에 버도 킹고레 성도 간신은 아주 좋은 지역이 토네 접주어 차지 말에 나한 줄롱발 사야 통야면은 접주어 차지 말에 첩식이 내법지고네 아주 접주 용거에 차브레 아주 접주 레베 제리야 조주리 지글로라 정물무치 कब तिदु की जाओ सिले पंडित नेहरू ता कदर नामे कर लिया मधुलाटा सुम योरे मसूरी शिमला दार्जिलिंग सुमबुते जाओ शुंगसी मशी कोने मान तो रंगु तो अंसु शाबरे दिस सुम दुमदु कर लिया लोटू लपटन दिन शिमबतिदु चिदुं 주자 예멘 지요래 소소 라트나는 고댕에 시장을 지요래 간달 루루 니동스키 로단 게지레 갑디두 데두 조랄 네루기 카르카나 알잖아 베벨루투 제티 자가기 산에 강서 유베 시린 라트라 야슈티즈난 땅샤기는 고샤전 땅샤기는 조송디 자숑 제바지레 돈라 카셰난 차야기 레가지레스 이네 뒷담가 점에 송그레 뒷담가 맞아 비체네 전주 비메 룩다 수르도 조야기 타주 남을 될 때네 조송치와 요아레 강엔치와 요아레 차레망아 요아티네 뒷담버레 તે દામગોયા કે જુમસેનથી લાપટા દિસને ઠુંબે બેઠો નાશન છેતી 비미란치 차야기 공부시지 벽에 장에 벽세상에 벽세경에 벽이 추다 리숑 내장 드제티 냠의 준신제 통해직 용야기 공부시네 술수그리 벽게이티 마게기 수도 랍투야 직다 갑데도 ngaduche chumbare sujungi shiyun dang terawi shiyun dapsho ni de yongya ge chedo labda jedu sunzu chebe yin jene sungore ta ti sunzu chebe meyu dagnya kondu shiba nashin ndruware lomangu chig rinliya meyu tin ndrune debre ine palam chila ता कांगे मंगुच ठेगी होरे कंदर मोहम्बले तो लोटू चरांसु संबनान चरांसु मेसिटी पोबो युबे बेमिचिगी मेसिचेगिरे नोमचोबे 진두 쟁행기 밑주만 찍기라 차그르베 디 당가디 장도 라발리오레 디 당고야드레 nomchobe lendi chenge gi mitchuma chi chaya yingbeina laptan disha yagus ke mare ishuda tinde gi zinjung che lapta ka nan chimbeina lendi che ma yore tadong yag chando kapse konstangun chimcho gonshi shisung jaga shungge sungzu chebe laptan disunan Zushu chene, Hujun chebe, Gubada meyu so rabdi, Bimi sende, Cha goya chiki, Ninen tene, di sundu chebre, Chezan, Matu Karchinen chapchuo chabre, Matu mitzi mirav pat chapchuo chin degirwe, Rang lombe nalya, Rangi Ranjun chetuya chiki, Besu chigre mare, chete chua hajang lap chimbure. Tizam tu masebe, man chapchua chete jaur muchi tuji karin tene, debe longam chu ringla. Rawan yube longba tesunan, Rawan yube jagab tesu yumita chijur chene, Rawan gitsua chaya chungare. Pögnal, 내주 지신 지도 침범마도 소양간 중요 말이야. 납중하고 시외 재난 제리야 단연 가수 제브레 재난 현장 제도 메가수비 쏘다 샤라가 루른 담레 센트럴 현장이 랭구 조마조네 Rene sarjiki yungo chimbo chone dejala natan khar chumbre ngapchu ngabune dunju tundam pargi lochu shtonga chignal bemi momchoni has demi so shor goya chike chumbre marse tamba Songanal Shiba, Toshi Teva, Ranshi Java, Zukanga Domne, Women Bom Chuni Yamenchiki, Todang the Shimitri. Di Jelia Chembu, Luyang Surabjik, Lukashi Chumbareti, Chilunyeton Jene, Jarto, Sanin Tandram Mundu Jene. 달로 니돈 주지 론디 난 데르다고 카시기 난 베민나슈 ngamchu ngamgu je jeliya kene salong jebe traba tsuma chimba jeguchigi ranu michul pene shigul chedegi yore ranu michul peyasiati lela wisawane mare labaliya pembara chik tubaine kangen kasu yungto masu nyamyo yubitriba tigatsigi lodan che goyati gatane chiktane lodan che marba sudhab trebe kangen chi sudhab trebe kangen yinsen michurwa chi yubi yinsan miri yungdo liya an kontine lodan che goy chagore pen tarin tabul tsumbeina tanga tsu ngache nyamge kundu shibna shin jeji puri neyu yung tobaliya nichi ki nyumne tang sundar malam cheyagi dusu de kegi yore jezan tunzen shibati ngazu mesi pomin karure ngaju rangi chiyugi lombati tanda neba pandechil deyore ngaran lo se nyambe we na li yube na shun dana gi wanzi ba su shedan chebi na darshan marbu wala jin salung chebe na shun ti su giga se chi lo dan chi gi yore giga se chi mo tune sime shibe tele mangume thone kale jab de gi yore dije ti nga su transu che gwa chita 대단 숨배 말한수 제야 갈도 상루탄 고야티 되는 시bat 레성도 제산 변생 시분 디토알이야 지난주 네버트 bomba시네 상루 사바치다 뽑아 사바치다 추신 사바치 토네 된주 공부 숙칠 땅도비나 안 앞주 두대 제베 정고 상황시대 그바 유치하게 디마임베 니마 송이야 신자로 가시 잡에는 도가라 탑칼라 세제 도비는 안치랄이야 두된 송스 제 송스야시대 용그레 조남칼 전부 전도 가부제 디레 트데 주지야스게 야마레 로트다 겐레제 상면 다오마 못갈레 잡지 돈다 친구 만든 거 차중데 제상에 공도 쉬베 돈내 쉬베 디토알 다린 두된 디토알 땡땡 공부 섭시 나라 나스chen 쉬야인 단대 지체나 그게 마칭에 가시 윤도 가버지 디즈 체도 힌디 항엔도 두치 슈인 로스루 첩에 진주 야부치 수제 라브라 창면날 야루스루 첩에 수로람 샤 야부치도 하버 도질링기 루스 첩에 라브랄이야 튼진다 벤조로람 치슈 쟁에 장지레샤 엔다리 맘주 두렌디에 로스 첩에 조겐시베 토네 라브라드 냠리체 남제 제잔 로스 참말라다 로스르기 소베 레제 솔라 네 예랑 아주 간시는 소소 당고 간의 용사기 종공디 마제베체네 스카딘 삼시 난 남부디 샤야우레 야랍 주선 tumba치레스 견슈야인
Before we have the presentation of Sabina, let me begin a few words. Gratitude is literally means thankfulness, gratefulness, appreciation, and acknowledgement. School, or will be receiving from this school. We are thankful to the alma mater today for what we are today. On this 25th Golden Jubilee anniversary, I, on my behalf, alumnus of this school, the senior most teacher of the school, General Secretary of across India and outside, on behalf of them, first of all, let me say a deep gratitude, greetings to those teachers and staff who contributed what we are today, and to those present teachers and staff in molding the present generation of the students. So we have here the presentation of Sabina to the first and the former teachers. How lucky we are in front of us, we have all the early 1960s teachers and the staff. So to begin with the presentation, first of all, I would like to request Honorable Mr. S.P. Rana, EO, CTSA Delhi, to give away the prizes to our most beloved, the former teacher, Professor Sangdul Rinpoche. Now, second, we have, in the early 1960s, we had a teacher from, all the way came from America, Gail Hamula. In those times, she was popularly known as Goddess Mother. Third, we have Mrs. Nonzin Nobula to come over here and receive the souvenir from the Professor Sangdul Rinpoche. Next, we have Mrs. Dogala. Miss Domala, Mr. G. Lama, Mr. B.K. Chetru, Mr. Evan Wangde, Darnal, Mrs. Meera Darnal, Mrs. Chodanla, Mrs. Siring Yutun, Mr. Second, Mr. Dawar Rashid, Obesity Lecturer. Third, Mr. Sajan Pinsop, PGT Geography. P.D. Nayak, PGT Commerce. Mr. D.K. Gal, Teacher of Tourism and Hospitality. Mrs. Mr. Jimmy again, PGT Mr. Sheikh Kumar,
간쟁기 종라 라메기 거진 채와 다른기 초그 총근도 집결 장배 반대 접제 담바 삼도른 버첸 초 하장 제대 체양 뭐남기 선대 쉬버터 주저 떠난 제바탕 타과르 텐슈 준비 망다지기 트네 뭐남라 주저 떠난 제대 갑딜 공연 제메기 사다른 군에 집결 장신 군대 조 칼로 람드 나와라 녜 롭테 롭지 초당 게레 롭투 나바탕 텐롭디 롭수르 튠조기 제조 나바탕 미가르 뭐랑기 뭐네 가조르 슈케단 제데 톡제까지 라메도 체 시슈주인 다링기 제거 믹세 군데 반대랑 슈시리 통제 공어 요도 까마게레라 초장 페미시유테 뭐나마 로마네 고인자 뽕로기 투고르 슈케 시엔난켄신 임바탕 공어초 하장 제대 체양 대랭기 제고들 사다 릉군의 공연 제메 토 뭐남기 준비 슈버터 체베 거딘 장신 갈롭 송셰 남버 녜 롭테 롭지 초당 게레 롭투 남바탕 텐롭디 롭수 튠조기 제조 남바탕 미카르 뭐랑기 뭐네 가조르 슈케단 제데 톡제 하장 체시 슈주인 구제덴베 구르 운전 의 별로 진속이 시행견진 구샵 SB 라나 촉장 의 별로 진속이 시행견진기 레고르자 마임버 시행진의 시행기 레고르 파마 시에데 제데 하장 체와 이양 뭐는 비드베 슈바터 칩교로 장신 갈롭 송셰 거딘 제발라 녜 롭테 롭지 초당 게레 롭투 나바당 텐롭디 롭수 튠조기 제조 나바당 미카르 뭐랑기 뭐네 가조르 슈케단 제데 독제 체시 주신유 공도 구르베 군드 산에 돌링기 정배宣바 단다 제데 교방기 해 신송 이나야 롭테 산에 롭된 도중기 소조 고발 구샵 고발 라마 초자 산에기 착례 하장 자체신 뒤검 하장 거양 페처낭신 송셰 거딘 세바당 타과르 꾸니기 툭시 하장 상라 시장 체바 인답 뭐 롭테 제도남기 권된다 뒤딱도 잡ጆ르 체셰 낭시바 제라 녜 롭테 롭지 초당 게레 롭투 나바당 텐롭디 롭수 튠조기 제조 나바당 미카르 뭐랑기 뭐네 가조르 슈케단 제데 톡제 까디 라메도 체셰 슈치유 신양 갑딜 치규르 장배 산행 군지 초당 롭테 롭수 튠조기 제조 나바당 롭테 롭수 남기 쯔 군대 신남장 주주 떠난 제진 다른기 제고 페바당 롭테 주된 디체 로셰네 규노르 주주 속이 튠주로람 체셰 나워 녜 롭테 롭지 초당 게레 롭투 나바당 미카르 뭐랑기 뭐네 가조 슈제데 제데 툭제 가딘 체셰 슈규당 레 마오바양 디더기 샤신 균종 낭규 레와 체신여나 툭제 체셰 슈규인 다들 공사초 구제 샤베 땡진 뭐는 비군접도 딱도 네베 원드 소와 잡을 주시여나 양자 투지 체셰 투치나
이거는